Hello everyone. This is a simple bread halwa recipe for all those who have a sweet tooth. It's very easy. Let us try. I have taken 7 loaves of bread and I have cut into squares like this. This is very simple recipe. When you have sudden guests around, try this. This is very yum and also tasty. So I have taken nuts of my choice, cashews, pistachios and some cucumber seeds. You can also add raisins. Now take a pan and add 2 cups of oil and drop all the cut pieces of bread into it and fry into this golden brown color and put it aside. See, it should be crunchy. Take a bowl on the other hand and add 1 full cup of sugar and add 2 cups of water and start boiling it. See, now my breads are all fried. And now I have taken all the nuts and I added 2 tablespoons of ghee and I have fried it and put it aside. And see, my sugar syrup is also ready. Now turn off the flame and add this sugar syrup to the bowl where you want to fry all, you want to cook all these breads, okay? See, after a nice boil, add some ilachi powder, preferably half a tablespoon. Add all the fried breads into the pan and close the lid for just 2 minutes. See, you will get a nice boil. Now, time to stir it frequently. So, see, you can add it like this. Once, if the sugar syrup is ended, you can add half a hot water more and then you can stir it properly. You will get this consistency. Now, you can add 4 tablespoons of ghee to it and then continuously stir it. You will get this consistency. This is the time where you can turn off your flame and it's ready to serve it. So now you can garnish this with the fried cashew nuts and pistachios. Add all those fried nuts into it and give a nice stir. If you add more nuts into it, that is the original or asli taste for this bread halwa. Like, for every bite or every spoon you will get all those nuts into your mouth. It's very delicious and it's very tasty also. Now time to serve to your loved ones. See, you can add ghee again if you like it, otherwise those 4 tablespoons are enough for this bread halwa. Now again garnish with some cashews and pistachios. You can also add raisins as I've told you earlier. It's of your choice. So why late? Go try it and let me know how it turned to you. Till then, bye bye.